Hello guys, if you are watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. Thank you so much for whoever hopped on the evening skincare routine. I'm glad that I could make it the morning and evening before with the latest products. That way I have shown both the neotite in both times. That way it will help you to understand whenever a new product comes in. And for today it's fourth day of the Slay May challenge, and today's product was called Core 5. Core 5 can be different from different people. It is like, for example, if you are going out or something, what will be the 5 products you will grab to get ready? So that's the point of it. So here I have a very simple look. I'm heading out to see my friend today just to drop off food. So what I'm going to do is I'm making a very simple everyday look. So let me start with my first product, and that way I can explain. So the first one is, since I said it's everyday look, I'm going with the CCTM in medium deep. That's my shade. And with any Senegen's products, I really love the airless pumps. So that way every single product gets scraped out and you don't waste not even a bit. So that's the beauty of Senegen's products. So here I am using a CCTM, which is our color correcting tinted moisturizer. Thank you, Soumya. This is my favorite. I use a shade darker. That is my preference. Being in NC, that too in summer, I get to go out a lot. So I like this one. It's very lightweight, and our day cream, CCTM and foundation, all three has mechanical equivalent of SPF 15 in them. So what it is going to do is it's going to give like as if you have a shirt on top of your skin. So good morning, Shobna, thank you for hopping on. Shobna, I hope you got your package. I saw it was delivered, so hope you got it. So what I'm going to do is I like to stipple. Why I am getting ready, I should have even got ready, but why I am doing it in live is that way you can see how evenly it color corrects, but at the same time it literally feels like your skin. It won't be heavy at all. Yeah, whenever he hears me talking, he cannot be in the playpen. Morning is his sleepy time, but he always likes to be with me. So he thinks I'm like a 9 to 5 office person who sits in his place always, and that way he can sleep next to me. He needs the warmth like a small kid, but what to do. So as you see, it has a built-in green pigment, so it color corrects. At the same time, it's so lightweight. So that is the reason. Yes, Shobna, we can do a live, not a live, we can do a quick video call, Shobna, whenever you are ready. So I always like to cover my neck as well, because you don't want your face and neck to be too different, and you can even cover a little bit of your ears, because you want all of them to be in the same color. And you can see it is so lightweight, it literally feels like your skin, and it will not be oily, or even if you have too much oily skin, you can dust off with powder a little bit. So that's how lightweight it is, and this will be perfect for my just everyday go out. Even if you have a Zoom call or something, even this is so nice for you to just have. If I am having time, I will color correct my eyes with natural tan, but since it's a quick get ready, I'm using whatever product that is left off just on top of my eyes too. So that's my first product. If you need a heavy coverage, you can always go with our foundation. So my shade for a foundation is Pecan. As I said, in both shades I'll go little darker. That's my preference. If you want lighter, you can always do both our foundation and CCTM color adjust. So that's why I'm showing you in live. That way you can see even when I started how my face looked, and by the time I finish, you can see it settles well, and you won't even feel that you have something on. So the next product I'm going to do is obviously a very light everyday shade for my eyes. I had few choices which you can go with this dress. For example, Desert Rose is my all-time favorite. That will go like a everyday shade. Pink Posy is a very nice one. It will be very light, but you have some color in your eyes. Then Bella Cream or Bella Shimmer will be nice. If you want a shimmer shade, then you can go. So it is all your preference. There is no right or wrong. It basically based on your outfit. Hi Shailaja. Shailaja, if you're watching that, I just showed CCTM. So don't forget to order the CCTM. I know you have it in your cart, but don't forget to order. So I want to go with, I know I have shown Desert Rose many times. Even if you go to my YouTube channel and go with iLooks, you will find Desert Rose as a monochromatic look, where you will see Desert Rose as my eyeliner, Desert Rose as my blush, Desert Rose in my lips. So it is like with the same shadow you will be, good morning Shailaja, so you'll be able to use in plenty of ways. So here I'm just going to use a very light color, which is like a everyday shade. Pink Posy is such a good one for even transition if you're using more than one. But as I said, when it comes to core 5, that means you are going for a very simple everyday look. So you see, I cleaned my brushes yesterday, how clean it looks. Yes Shailaja, just a reminder, that's it. So what I'm going to do is, see, this applicator is not just to take out the product. You always need your finger or a good eyeliner brush. Actually, if you see, I think this week we have even a brush session. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to gently apply the shade. Do you see, it's very lightweight everyday shade. If you are a beginner and you don't need a ton of color, you can go with colors like this, because they will be really nice and subtle, but at the same time you will have a nice put together put together look for it. For family, not able to log in. Shobna, can I call, can I message you after this? I will see. I don't know whether I got Sasi's order. I will check with what happened with the Sanacare Shobna. So I will check whether the link I have given, the new link, you're still not able to log in. I will check it. I will check with Sanacare and let you know. So what I am doing is, if you see, I am taking it little over that. This is my natural crease where it ends, but I'm taking it little bit higher than it. That way when I close my lid, you can see, and the same way, do you see, I'm just extending it a little bit and doing it. So that way when I see, you will still see the color a little bit, and it's not a very dark shade or something. Pink Posy will be a nice, like how I talk about Americano, because I always talk about Americano and Desert Rose. That's why I said, okay, I will do something else. I'm not doing Desert Rose. So if you want, you can always layer more and just pat it, and you can always go back and just blend it out. That's all. It is like so easy to do. And I know Sasi placed an order. I don't remember when she placed. I need to check, but I will check with Sanacare, because I have given the link to 2-3 people, but I haven't checked whether they had any issue or not. So if you want, you can always go back and add it in the lower lashes too. So far we saw CCTM and foundation. So the next one obviously will be doing the eyeliner. I am more of a pencil person than a liquid person. So for everyday looks, I like any black, brown, or anything. Hi Ranjini, good morning. So what do you want me to do? You want any color preference? I have, this is black brown, this is black, and this is brown. If you want to show me any other particular color, either top or bottom, I can do both. I can do any of those. And the next, this is my third product, and the fourth product will obviously be using a mascara for the fourth product in our mascara. Har Harshini, good morning. Our mascara has an ingredient called Capixel, which is going to help grow the lashes while you wear them. So that way it is going to be really nice, and it will not it will not spoil your lashes. And at the same time, any of our makeup will never make you break out or never break you anything harm. If you see the ingredients, even the makeup has the Senaplex complex, so that way it's going to help help with anti-aging benefits. So that's why you don't have to worry about when you put on something like that. Black brown, please. You know what? I already have black brown in hand, Shobna. So I'm going to do black brown. Do you guys want me both top and bottom or just the waterline? I'm doing the waterline first. If you want me to show how I do my top, I can show that too. But I'm doing a waterline. As I said, it's a very simple. You can take it as a 5-minute quick get ready. Do you see? Once you have like these quick products, hardly you need like less than 5 minutes to put together a look. I love these pencils because they are all day wear, and also they are smudge resistant and water resistant, so that way you don't have to worry about it smudging or I know with lip sense also many people always ask like none of them will stay. Even for the mascara they will always say anything doesn't stay on me, so is it like I don't think yours will stay too. But once they try, they will be like, please can you give me the oops remover, because I don't think it's going. I said I already told you it's not going anywhere. So before doing the mascara, the one step I like is I like to just curl my lashes a bit, because I think with Asian lashes ours is not that curly, so I like to just gently curl. That helps to what to say, like helps to make the lashes a little bit longer, and it gives a nice finished look. So you don't have to do a lot. Some people even warm this eyelash curler. I don't have that much patience and all, so I like to just quickly do. And I'm going to do the non-waterproof mascara. If you are someone who has watery eyes, if you have seen my friend Kabi, who did a look with me during the the March Madness, she did the waterproof. I like to do waterproof for special days, because it's not coming out unless you remove it with the Foops remover wipes. So I do it on special days, and you can layer them too. So that way you can use non-waterproof and then top it with waterproof, and then you can go ahead with non-waterproof again. So do you see the difference? It gives such a nice volume. And the other trick is always you need to point your mascara towards your nose. That makes a huge difference. And what trick I do is I keep it closer to my eyes and just blink. That really helps to extend the lashes. So these are like small tricks that you can do, but going to make a big difference when you apply it properly. So as I said, and even our mascara, you have black and black brown. So I don't know whether you guys have seen, but I use blue too. I like to use the navy mascara, and we do have purple and like a teal mascara too. If you are so adventurous, you can definitely pull a look like that. And one more thing is same way with our pencils. Our pencils we have our pencils we do carry so many of the colors. We have black, brown, and I paid extra and covered everybody who asked for the green. So I hope I sent green and made everyone happy. I hope and I want to see the pictures. So whoever got the green, it's a must have that you should share a picture with me for the green or the purple, because I spent so much hours tracking each one of them, and I found for you guys. Okay, so far we did in my core 5 we did my CCTM, my very light shadow sense color, and I did mascara. And what else we did? You can use the same one. For example, I can, if I'm going with Desert Rose, I can definitely use Desert Rose as my blush too. So So this is Desert Rose. Do you see? It's such a pretty pink. So always make sure you blend so well. You don't need any streaky lines. So see, it's such a pretty everyday blush. So a same color can work as a blush too. And the last one for today, I kept it really simple. Hope I finished 4, right? Yeah, CCTM. Yes, the color that yes, pencil. The last one is, you can have lip sense as 1 too. To me, lip sense is always 1, but just to keep it for you guys, I am going to just do a gloss as my 5 because it's a quick get ready. So here I have few of the choices I always like. When I'm just wearing gloss, I like to go with the PH gloss too because it changes a little bit color and it gives a nice finish to it. So you can do PH glosses, or you can go with any of the pigmented glosses. The new Huckleberry and all will look really nice just as a gloss. So any of these would really look nice. I think Sweet Pea and Madeline, Cherry Blossom, you have every single color of gloss you can pair it with. So, or you can always do with, as I said, you can go with the PH glosses. The PH glosses are meant to be worn on its own, so that way they are going to stay longer than even the normal glosses, because the normal glosses are more of a lip balm, I would say. So it's pretty much the lip balm and the lip gloss will act more or the same way. They are not going to be all day wear, only the lip sense is, whereas you need the gloss to seal the color, but they will not stay longer. So I'm doing the Huckleberry. I know this is again a popular color that everyone grabbed, and it's again what's it like it's again a vitamin E and shea butter gloss. So what it's going to do is, the whole day it's going to keep your lips moisturized, but at the same time, as I said, it's not going to be staying all day like the lip sense will. But since it's a quick get ready, I wanted to show you like a look that you can get ready in 5 minutes. So let's see what we covered, and you can anytime pick something like this. It will be really fun. So you go with CCTM or foundation of your choice. You pick a very light everyday eye color, then go with a pencil or a liquid liner, and then do mascara, and then finish it off with a lip gloss or a lip sense color based on your choice. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer, or you guys can reach out to me in phone. And have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.